These Winslow wall mount fireplaces are the perfect solution for any space, with the option of easily mounting to the wall or attaching the tabletop stand. You will never have a problem finding the right place for the Winslow. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatility to be installed on the wall or the included stand. Number 2. 3 interchangeable media options for the base, log, pebbles, or crystals included. Number 3. Side strip lighting provides a color glow behind the unit. Number 4. Heat rises from the bottom of the unit, allowing for the safe installation of electronics above the fireplace. Number 5. Touch screen controls on the top right corner of the glass. Number 6. Wattage, 14.0 watts. Number 7. Create your ambience. Side strip lighting provides a color glow behind the unit, perfect for creating any desired ambience. Number 8. Built-in touch control. Touch screen controls on the top right corner of glass for convenient use and control. Number 9. Sleek and streamlined. Curved glass creates a close-to-wall look from the side. This offers a streamlined style. Number 10. Supplemental heat. The Winslow heats up to 1,000 square feet, providing ample heat for your favorite living spaces. Number 11. Assembly time. With a quick assembly time, you can spend more time enjoying the ambience offered by your new Winslow fireplace. Number 12. Low maintenance LED. The LED lights are both low cost and low maintenance, making sure you will always be able to enjoy your Winslow. Number 13. Remote controlled. Conveniently controlled by a remote for ease of use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.